Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this Samsung. First of all, open Settings. Then scroll down and choose Display section. In it, scroll down again and choose Motion Smoothness. Then click on the best option for you, Adaptive or Standard. When you're ready, save your changes by choosing Apply and wait. As you can see, refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!